Good morning, children. Today let us do question number 2 of chapter 21. Okay, joining the sentences in two ways using while. Okay, there will be sentences and we have to use while and make right answer in two ways. Okay, look at the heading once again. Join these sentences in two ways using while. You have done in standard 2. Join the sentences using when. Also you have done in this standard 3 using while, okay, before and so on we will be doing. Now look at here with it. There are two sentences. First sentence, she was shopping. One sentence, she lost her purse. Second sentence. Altogether there are two sentences and we have to join and make one single sentence. Means we have to remove this full stop. Two sentences are there and we have to join, use the word while, conjunction while and make one sentence. Okay. Now, there are rules which when we use conjunction to join the sentences, when the conjunction is used in the beginning, okay, when the sentence is used in the beginning, after first sentence, instead of full stop, we use comma and then the second sentence continues. But when we use conjunction in between, there is no full stop and so on in between the sentences. Okay? Look at once again. She was shopping, full stop, she lost her purse. We will use while in first ways. We will use this while, this conjunction in the beginning. So our answer, while she was shopping, comma, she lost her purse. But look at here once again. While. Because the first word is while here. Okay. First word is while. So this first word is here. She in the question. So S is capital here. When we write the answer. After while when we will write she. This S will become small letter. Okay. So, while she was shopping, okay, while she was shopping, after first sentence, instead of full stop, comma, okay. Now again we will continue this sentence, but look at here, bete, here it is capital letter. But after comma we will write S small letter. This S will become small letter. Okay. Now comma she lost her purse. She lost her purse. She lost her purse. Okay children. Now look at second answer. First way is over. Now second way is. Now here in first answer we used conjunction while in the beginning. Now in second answer we will use while in between. Okay. So for second answer we will start our answer from second sentence. First sentence, second sentence. Okay. So we will write our answer. Start from here. She lost her purse. Okay. She lost her purse. After second sentence we will write conjunction while. Okay, while. There is no comma, okay, because we used in between while. Again then the first sentence. After while, first sentence. While she was shopping. While she was shopping. Okay children, now let us look at second question. I was sleeping. First sentence. Second, someone opened the door. Okay children, now join the sentence using while. We have to make one single sentence. We have to write two answers. First answer, we will use this while in the beginning. Okay, answer 1, while. After while, first sentence. Okay. But here children, here it is I. You can say ma'am, we will write small sentence. Small letter, small letter. But here children, because I speaks for the first person, it is first person pronoun, so we will let it be in capital letter. We will not change. Okay, I never changed. It remains always in capital letter. So while I was sleeping, while I was sleeping. Now first sentence over. We used while, so instead of full stop, comma, someone opened the door. Again, S small letter. Someone opened the door. Okay, children. Now second answer, begin from second sentence. Okay, in the question we will begin from the second sentence. Someone opened the door. Okay, S capital letter. Someone opened the door. Someone opened the door. Then we will write this while, conjunction while. Okay, someone opened the door while I was asleep. While I was asleep. Okay. So dear children, once again look at. We used while in two ways to write the answer, and while is a conjunction. When we used in the beginning, after while we wrote the first sentence, and after first sentence we put comma instead of full stop, comma. Then the second sentence continued. Okay. Next one, for second answer, we started our answer from second sentence. Okay. After second sentence, we used while. After second sentence, we wrote while, and then the first sentence continues. Okay. So when we use conjunction in between, in the beginning, we used put a comma after first sentence. But when we use conjunction in between, we don't put any comma and so on. Okay, children. So please watch the video and do the given exercise. Bye, children.